She's not pregnant. Truthfully, we haven't even slept together.
Oh, this is funny. He's gay. Where's your hand?
I'm having my high school ring put on it, and my hook is stuck in the stair car.
You think getting married will solve your sex problem?
No, and we don't have a problem. We just haven't had the right opportunity yet.
Lindsay said Rita slept over last night.
Yes, but I gave her the bedroom because I didn't want her to feel pressure.
Actually, it was Michael who felt a little pressure.
And I like to keep the light on. That way I can see if you have a monster. Mike, can you shut the door on your way out?
I can't believe you're not supporting this.
Because it is obvious what she's after.
Our money.
Oh, God, our money.
Let's just all relax and remind ourselves that we don't have any money.
She's already got no money.
Let's not forget, she's the one that gave us the idea for that ocean-top town called Blueston.
No big deal. I had that same basic idea years ago.
I thought you'd be happy, and I should have known better.
Michael, people just see what they want to see. If she loved you, she'd show it.
Michael was worried. His mother may have been making sense. So he returned home to talk to Rita.
Here comes the bride.
What are you doing in a wheelchair?
No, it's a dolly to help videotape their nuptials.
I don't think I need any footage of my nuptials. Tobias, are you sure that this dolly isn't related to your recent health problems?
Okay, so my legs and my left arm occasionally go to sleep, and you want to call it a health problem. No, I can get up. Here we are. Let me get in the dolly. No, thank you. I don't need your help.
Doesn't seem like you've been having a whole lot of trouble since a hair transplant. Maybe you should see a booberman.
A booberman?
Doctor. It's a British expression. Like they say go up box instead of elevator.
Oh, yes, like when they say poofter to mean tourist. Yes. Boy, that Rita's a smarty.
Sure, but it's not like anybody appreciates it. Mom and Dad do not like Rita.
Are they crazy? She's amazing. I saw her last night and she helped me with this little project I was doing.
Maybe was struggling with a screenplay in her secret life as a film executive.
Is that a story?
Not yet. It doesn't have an ending. He's in LA, she's in Japan. How do I get these two characters together?
Maybe they could walk.
Across the ocean?
It's not deep.
No, this is good. People are going to say, what the hell just happened? I better say I like it because nobody wants to say it's stupid. I like it. The ocean walker. Holy crap, that's going to look good on her hat.
And Michael caught up with his brother.
Val, I need a favor. As you know, I'm getting married in about a month.
Say no more.
Great. Are you sure that you know what?
Yeah. Got it.
And just so that we're both clear,
You want me to do a magic show at the wedding? I'm on it.
so glad we pushed through